consider the in-text questions on page number 216, question number 1. They have told us judge the equivalent resistance when resistance R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. See, one thing we have to understand, when resistances are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance is always greater than the greatest of the resistances. So suppose 2, 3 and 5 are connected in series. If they are connected in series, then the equivalent resistance will be more than 5. And if the same resistances are connected in parallel, 2, 3 and 5 are connected in parallel, then the equivalent resistance will be less than 2. Sometimes you can have MCQs questions also. Okay, you know, resistance 2, 3 and 5 are connected in series or parallel, I don't know. Their equivalent resistance is something like, say, 1 point something. Now, the equivalent resistance is less than the smallest. So, this means they are connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance is more than the largest, that means they are connected in series. If the equivalent resistance is between the smallest and the largest, then there is a combination of series and parallel. So this thing we have to know. Now what is given? Two resistances, R1 is equal to 1 ohm and R2 is equal to 10 power 6 ohm. They are connected in parallel. So this means my equivalent resistance will be almost equal to or less than 1 ohm. Now what is the formula for equivalent resistance in parallel? 1 upon Rp is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. 1 upon R1 is 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 6. So this answer will be 10 raised to 6 upon 10 raised to 6 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 6. It will be 100,001 upon 10 raised to 6. So answer will be 1.00001 ohms and Rp will be reciprocal of that. And if I do reciprocal of that, it will be approximately equal to again 1 ohm only. Similarly, if I take what they have given next question, there are three resistances. R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 10 raised to 3 ohm and R3 is 10 raised to 6 ohms. Now if they are connected in parallel, 1 upon Rp is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. When I take the LCM, I get the answer 1001001 upon 1000000. It will be 1.001001 ohm. So Rp will be reciprocal of that 1 upon 1.001001 ohm, which will again be equal to approximately, it will be closer to 1 ohm only. So this means what we have understood from this, whenever resistances are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance is closer to the smaller resistance. It is less than the smaller resistance. So this concept we have understood. When they are connected in series, the equivalent resistance is more, and when they are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance becomes less. So if you want to increase the resistance of the circuit, you connect them in series. Or if you want to decrease the current in the circuit, if you increase the resistance, your current will decrease. So if you want to decrease the current or increase the resistance, resistances are connected in series. If you want to increase the current, that means you will have to decrease the resistance, then the resistances are connected in parallel. So this concept we have understood from this sum. Please note down this sum. Let us now look at the next sum. We have this system of resistance. Basically, see, any element or any appliance which is connected, it will always have a resistance. What is given? A lamp of 100 ohms, toaster of 50 ohms and water filter of 500 ohms. They are connected in parallel across a battery of 220 volt. Then it will draw some current. They want to put some iron over there instead of these three. So this means what? They have to remove these three resistances and bring one iron which will draw the same current. Means the resistance of the iron has to be the equivalent resistance of these three resistances. Right? So now your R1 is 100 ohm, R2 is 50 ohm and R3 is 500 ohm. R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. Therefore 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. 1 upon Rp is equal to, when you take, it is 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 50 plus 1 upon 500. You take the LCM, you get 16 upon 500. So Rp will be 500 upon 16, which is equal to 31.25 ohms. So now if I, instead of these three appliances, if I connect one iron, its equivalent resistance will be 31.25 ohms. Its voltage will be 220 volt. So how will I calculate I? V is equal to I into R. Voltage is 220 volt. I multiply by 31.25. When I do the calculation, I get I is equal to 7.04 ampere. Okay. So please note down this sum.